we need is love, love, love. 'Cause in the end, baby, all we have is each other.
We all need to learn to love one another. 'Cause in the end, all we have is each other. We all need to learn to love one another. 'Cause in the end, all we have is each other.
I know I can, I know I can be what I wanna be what I wanna be. If I work hard at it, if I work hard at it, I'd be where I wanna be, I'd be where I wanna be.
All eyes on me, all eyes on me. Little brothers, little sisters, you all can achieve. Little brothers, little sisters, you all have a dream. You're so damn big now to stand tall and fight back. Together we need to fight our demons right back. We just need to hold on and keep achieving. The dream is alive. We just need to keep on holding on and stay strong till we die. To keep believing. Never give up on your dreams, dog. Never give up on your dreams. Trying to be a star. Never give up trying to be a star. No matter wherever you are. Never give up on your one shot. To me, familia, to all of my fam and all of my fans. If you wish upon a star for a long time, you will forever be lost kicking rocks. Because this shit is not about doing it by yourself, dog. I can only hope that I make a family, a group that will follow me. Like a posse, like a some mix a lot in the Mechamosi at a posse. They have hella fans there, so that's why they say my posse's on Broadway. So that's why they always say my posse's on Broadway. See how we are your fans, no matter what haters say. See how we are your fans, no matter what haters say. See how we are your fans, even on your worst days.
We all need to learn to love one another. 'Cause in the end, all we have is each other. We all need to learn to love one another. 'Cause in the end, all we have is each other.
Lean on me when you're not strong. I'll be your friend. I hope you carry on. It won't be long till I'm gonna need somebody to lean on.
We're out here fighting like soldiers for so many goddamn reasons. Starting out straight when we're born, we lose our freedom to whoever is the leader. But I'm an achiever 'cause a child I've been beaten and mistreated, so I'm done following the leader, envy and misled. I grew up to be the same exact image. I'm a curse, I'm the one created. I'm ready to change it. Let's turn it up a notch and get ready to embrace everything I'm saying. 'Cause I was born to say it and get ready to paint inside of my chest. Welcome to Seattle, my sweet beautiful home. Tijuana, Mexico is where I'm from. Next to Killer, California, LA's where my brother's from. In the city of LA, where we ride, but I reside in lovely evergreen state, where we love to get high, some good hydro, and we have places to go. Shots in the phone, things to be done, not right alone, quit wasting my time, dog. Pick up a pen, create your own rhyme, be free from your mind, be free from your mind, create your own rhyme. Don't be afraid to ever be loud, don't be afraid to ever speak out. It's your own pain, shout as loud as you can, as loud as you can, louder than a lion. It's time for you to let my music sink in, let my music sink in. All we